A lot to digest here, everybody. So joining me now is Dan Roccato, finance professor with the University of San Diego. Dan, thanks for being with us.
Hi, Marky. Thanks for having me.
Hey there. So I'd first like to ask you, so many Americans don't actually bank with these banks, right? So I think it's easy for a lot of people to say, not my problem. But does it affect us all? I mean, how should we be looking at this?
I bet 330 million people didn't even know the names of these banks last Friday, Marky. It's like a Legos toy, right? So think of it this way. It's all sort of connected. Our economy, our modern economy is connected. And the glue that holds it together is confidence. And what we've seen the last few days is a lack of confidence. That confidence is now in decline. And that means we have the stock market down and folks are anxious, totally understandable. But essentially, even though your local bank has virtually no chance of going out of business, because of the lack of confidence, you and I are feeling the pain.
Yeah, absolutely. And we know it's not just big tech startups that are there that have been impacted. I mean, we've heard stories of small business owners over at online retailers like Etsy, Shopify, not being able to get paid or conduct business right now. What is your advice to people who are watching the headlines the past few days and like you mentioned, they're nervous and don't know what to do with their money?
Yeah, totally understandable when you see images of folks waiting in line to get money, right? Number one, don't panic. Know your bank. Make sure you're with a bank, not one of these pseudo banks. And make sure you always have the FDIC insurance coverage up to $250,000. For most of us mere mortals, that's not a problem. But if you go over that limit, you've got some exposure, as we've just seen. And focus on what you can control. You and I can't control the Federal Reserve. We can't control what's happening at Silicon Valley Bank. But you and I can control things like the level of our credit card debt. We can control our skill set. So let's keep investing in that, right? So let's keep moving in a positive direction and not so much dwell on the things that you and I can't control.
And you take me to my next point. You know, we all heard President Biden's remarks this morning promising Americans their money was safe. They would be made whole today. Your take on his messaging and those promises after we just witnessed the largest bank failure since the 2008 financial crisis?
Yeah, I don't envy the president. He's got the bully pulpit. Obviously, he is, he's got the loudest megaphone in the country, as he should. But at the same time, when you and I see images of banks closed and people waiting at the doors, that's a pretty powerful image. And that image is probably, at least for now, more important to a lot of folks than what he's actually saying. So a tough message. I think his message is correct, but the images, unfortunately, undermine that message.
Dan Roccato, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you joining us here on Rush Hour.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.